Beachy Head is one of Britain's natural wonders, a place of breathtaking views, peaceful hikes, and epic sunsets. The White Cliff also has a black history. On a sunny day, Beachy Head attracts hundreds of visitors. The highest cliff in the UK at 160 meters offers a spectacular sight with the 43-meter tall striped lighthouse below. People come for the view, for picnics, for hiking along the cliff tops, or a stop for lunch at the pub. It really is a great day out, and easy to get to from places like Eastbourne and Brighton. Even London isn't that far away. The geography is fascinating. We're standing on the southeastern tip of the South Downs, a massive chalk ridge. This isn't soft sandstone. It's sheer, brittle, white chalk that plunges straight down into the English Channel. The cliffs appear whiter than the ones in Dover and intensify the sunlight. There always seems to be a wind. It is not uncommon to see paragliders using the updrafts to sail along and above the cliffs. It has appeared in many movies, from the Battle of Britain to Quadrophenia. The name is a corruption of the French bow of ship, meaning beautiful headland. On a clear day, we can see the historic Belle-Toute Lighthouse and the other white South Downs cliffs known as the Seven Sisters. In 1929, Eastbourne Council bought 4,000 acres of land surrounding the cliff to prevent development. The cliff itself is continually being eroded, and minor collapses happen quite regularly. Large collapses occur very infrequently, usually after heavy rains and freezing temperature. Beachy Head's dark side is that it's one of the most popular places in England, and maybe the whole world, to commit suicide. The first recorded suicide was in the 1600s, but its modern reputation began to solidify after World War II. Some point to the war itself, the trauma, the social shift. Others to the rise of car ownership, making this remote spot accessible. And then there's the grim self-perpetuating nature of the reputation itself. In the public consciousness, Beachy Head became the place. By the late 20th century, it was tragically clear, averaging for a time around 20 deaths a year, each one a personal tragedy that rippled out to families, friends, and the communities they came from. In 2004, to help cut down on these deaths, the Beachy Head Chaplaincy Team was formed. Patrolling the area, they had been trained to spot and stop potential suicides. Sometimes all that is needed is a friendly face, a human contact, or a cup of tea. Their actions have cut down on the number of desperate individuals that leap to their deaths to the rocks below. Because of the obvious safety reasons, do not get close to the edge. Also, you may be tempted by the ghost of the Black Monk, who has been reported encouraging visitors to come closer.